Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create your own Discord account on your Android device. First we have to open Discord. Then tap on this blue register button. You can use either your phone number or email. We'll be using email. When you're ready, tap on next. Then type in your username. And then your password. On next, enter your birthday. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by tapping on this checkbox. And finally, create an account. Wait for a while. Now, tap on the text. And you're officially on Discord. And that's everything for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.